How to buy Walrus Protocol token. So this token came under the symbol of WAL. Now before we start, so this is not financial advice, I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So what you need to do is just go on your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC account, go down in the description. You will be able to find the referral link on create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. Now, for that, what you need to do, just in the search bar, type WAL like that, the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Wait a few seconds to load this page, as you can see here. Now, what you need to do after that, as you can see, the trading, it starts for that token in 2 days. So from now, just wait 2 days to be able to trade this token. So as you can see here, you can set the price that you want to buy, and here we see the quantity that you will receive, and you can trade this token after the 2 days from now. So this is how to buy WAL token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.